welcome gang, it's your boy Happy Boy is back again on this YouTube channel. Today, people will know say, yo, welcome gang, it's your boy Happy Boy is back again on this YouTube channel. It's been a very long time, guys. Although today, I just decided to make a new video about all I've been going on in my life. But though I'm not the type that normally share things that have been going on or things that I've been doing outside my life. I like keeping things private and secret. It's been a very fucking long run. We have passed, we have win, we have lost, we have done so many things, we have achieved many things, we also lost so many things. So I can't really say that I'm in the stage of buying things now. Like I'm locked in, bro. I'm locked in. But all I guys to say is that whatever you're doing, just be consistent. If I have a particular setup on a swing trade, all I get to do is to just divide that risk into two. So once you divide your risk into two, you have the opportunity to enter when the market kicks you out.
Oh yeah, it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Let's go get it.
Yo, so I'm done with my morning routine. All I'm going to do today now is to just look for a way to look for something to eat. So after eating, all I'm going to do is to just go to lectures, do other things. Mostly my typical days are not mostly on the chat. So what I was saying is that around 2:30, Nasdaq always have fundamental news. That's the one thing I love about this pair. One section, one strategy, everything combined together. Then that you see, boom, spike. Where is this one? What's up? So now I'm looking at the chart to see which opportunity we have for today. I don't know. Looking at the chart, I'm not seeing much thing happening because this morning time, I don't really know what's time now, but I know this morning time, this is around 8 something, after 8. Oh. So as a trader, how you do is to, once you come to the chart, do some analysis, do your normal analysis depending on what trade, if you're retail, SMC, ICT. You don't really cares what you trade in the market. All you get to know is that all these things are really the same strategy. Just everybody, most creators call them their own names. So all you know is that do your analysis, have your daily bias, have your daily setup. So after having your daily setup, wait for that setup to just have patience and wait for market to approach to your certain POI, to your certain level before you execute. You can't just start chasing the charts, chasing market up and down. A certain plan, a certain trading plan, no amount of risk you are really going to risk. If you don't do that, all these things I'm telling you now, you're going to learn it the hard way, because me, sometimes I go against my rules, and whenever I go against your rules as a forex trader, you're gonna pay with your money, because here neither you win or you lose. And when you lose, you learn as a lesson. And before you win, you must practice. You practice couple of times. Practice makes perfect. Practice is what causes you to place. Practice is what makes you profitable. You understand? So some days are not meant for trading. Some days are meant for practice. You backtest what you trade. So you knowing the type of person you are, knowing the type of pair you trade. So I derive joy trading one section, one pair, one strategy, one plan. Although this year is coming to an end, I couldn't say that I have other things. I do trade profile though, but since I failed my challenge twice this year, so I couldn't purchase any other profile this year to next year. So this year is wrapping up. As this year is wrapping up, I'm also wrapping up my goals. Although I set a goal this year, which I won't tell you that I didn't achieve some. I achieved some and I didn't also achieve some. Although this year has not totally come to an end in October. So anything can happen. So at least I know that at least 50% of my goals this year has been achieved by the grace of God. Get. So as a trader, every year have a goal to set that goals and work towards your goals. So you cannot just start trading. Before you trade, you must ask your every year you start trading, ask yourself this question: why am I trading? Why am I really trading? Are you trading for fun? Or are you trading to make money? Or are you trading to liberate your family from poverty? Or are you trading to make yourself better? Or are you trading to make your girlfriend happy? Or are you trading to get money to go for a vacation or a certain places? So these things are goals. Me, I have many things that I want to use money and do. So I cannot just tell you a particular thing that I'm trading for. So everybody have their specific plan as a trader. So this year is wrapping up. Next year, set a goal as a trader. Know what you want. Know what you want and know your self-worth. Know your self-worth. You cannot just watch a tutorial on YouTube and start implementing those strategies on your chart. You get to have a mentor. Me too. I had a mentor. I paid for a mentorship course. To get to know the things I've known this year. To know most things that I've implemented in my trading that have give me a very successful approach to forex trading. So I also advise you, also want you to do the same thing. Know a specific thing that you really want to do. Have a mentor. Don't just watch a YouTube video and you start calling yourself a forex trader. This thing is something that is just like a jungle. When you see a bush, you don't just enter. You need to have a tour guide. Maybe you are going for a adventure. You need to have a tour guide that is going to lead you to the right direction. You don't just see an adventure. You don't just come to an adventure and you just jump in, because you are going to be frustrated. You are going to lose. You are going to make so many mistakes in your trading that which at the last it will take you up to 8 years before you realize that. It take you for a long period of time before you realize that you really need to have a tour guide, a mentor that will lead you, whether you are trading binary, derivative binary option, or you are trading forex, or you are trading stock, or you are trading futures. So in any specific field you find yourself, make sure you have a mentor. You don't just watch video and start implementing it, because no one is a fool. No one will just come on YouTube and share their secrets for free. Most times free things are to get your attention, understand, to call your attention to place. It doesn't mean that this thing is totally worth free. Get. So this is all I have for this video. Make sure you subscribe. Although I'm not seeing any setup on my charts, I'm not seeing any setup on this chart. I'm going to wrap it up. So subscribe guys, you're back again. I promise to be consistent, give you guys back to back videos, both binary trading and forex trading. If you still want to a mentorship, you can also contact me on my WhatsApp below my description. I do private mentorship if you care, and if you don't care, me too, I don't care, because me too, I'm also busy working on my own things, you understand? So I don't beg for mentorship, I don't beg for you to pay for anything, because me also, you pay for my time, not for the money for anything. You are paying for my time, for my attention. Get? So peace up guys, see you guys on another one.